I think I'm overpacked. It looks a lot to fit in that backpack. But let's find out and see if I can fit them to like 5 piles, maybe 4 if we condense it. Okay. Oh yeah. The makeup. This. And my backpack. So all this have to go into that backpack. We have to make it work. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited. A trip to Vietnam that we're gonna do next week. It's gonna be almost 2 months, so I'm very excited. It's gonna be very adventurous. It's gonna be a trip of a lifetime. I don't know if I'm underpack or overpack because this is my first road trip ever, and all this have to fit into this backpack right here. So let's find out. I don't want to carry a lot, but at the same time, I want to have enough clothes. But some of the items I need to wash maybe daily. I don't want to carry so much on my backpack because I'm small. It's too heavy for me. So the less the better. But some things I need to bring like this. Long gown for the temple or for meditation center, so I need to bring it. But most of my clothes are light, they're small, and I'm bringing like most of them are polyester fabric, anti-wrinkle, so something easy to maintenance and quick dry for sure. Even the towels, we bring in microfiber towels. For a quick drive, and they don't take so much space. I'm bringing like 3 pairs of quick dry long pants. These are super light, super soft. We're going to start in from Hanoi, and we're gonna travel south to Saigon. It's mostly will be a road trip, so we'll be taking buses and train. Part of it is motorcycle, which is exciting. And we'll spend about 3 weeks in Hanoi, traveling to the main areas like Sapa, Ha Long Bay, Ha Giang, and a lot of the temples in the north that we would like to go, such as Yên Tử mountain. So this trip is I'm having like mixed feelings about the trip, and exciting, and hopefully the weather will be okay, the food will be okay. Yay! I'm finished! Have to fit into this backpack. This is big for me, but not big to a lot of people, especially backpackers. Their bags are huge, like big. The good thing about this backpack is it looks like a carry-on. You can pull this handle up and push it or pull it like a carry-on, so that's why I like this. We've been trying to work this out for a few days now, so hopefully this is the best way for us. I don't know if I'm underpacked or overpacked really, because this is my first time ever. I haven't done any road trip or as a backpacker before, so we'll find out at the end of 2 months and I keep you guys posted. We are very new to doing this. This is gonna be my first video ever on YouTube, so so I have yet a lot to learn and a lot of things to improve. And most of my clothes are polyester, anti-wrinkle, so it's very light and very easy to wash and dry. And all my pants except for one are quick dry pants or shorts. And people like this, people that have done backpackers in Vietnam, they don't recommend wearing cotton clothes because it absorbs the sweat and it takes longer to dry. I push this zipper in. I don't know if you guys can see it. So here's the zipper. So I push it in all the way, like 75% of it in, so that it doesn't hang out and cause damage to the vacuum seal bag. So that's how I do this. Here, here's my sunscreen. You gotta use sunscreen. This will go with me. And here's my bag with my name on it. It's more from my sister's wedding. So all the bridesmaids got one of this bag. See how cute it is? Here's my other box of medicine. This one is a essential oil inhaler, so I made this. And here's my second bag with again essential oil, some gums, hand sanitizer, and pepper spray. I don't know, but I feel like I want to bring it with me. I just feel like, you know, when something happened, I need it, it's there for me. And you have no idea how many people came to me and asked for bandages. Like my mailman, he asked for bandages, so I thought it was funny. My superfoods. So I use this pretty much daily, or you know, at least a few times a week. I brought green tea, matcha. Love it. So I'm also bring with me turmeric, curcumin, licorice root. These are my daily dose. I'm sure they have them in Vietnam, but I feel like I have them with me. I know where I got them. And I don't have to spend time going around and looking for this. I'm excited. Next week, I have mixed feelings about this trip. So excited and worried at the same time. And I don't know what's gonna happen. It's like one of those trips that's kind of unknown. You know, most of the trips that I've done are predictable. You know, go see families, go to the stores, go to eat. But this trip is, you know, whatever comes, we have to deal with this. Oh, one other thing I forgot to mention is this will go into my backpack right here. Can you imagine me wearing a backpack? So honestly, everyone we talk to, they can't seem to imagine me doing a road trip as backpacker, especially carrying this. This is heavy. I'm not joking, it's heavy for me. I'm so excited. Fun, huh? Alright. Bye. Okay, so I zip this, and now I'm gonna open my backpack. Now I have this one here, so I'm gonna put this one in first at the very front. I don't know if you guys can see me, but this is at the very front of the bag. And what I'm gonna do next is put this in first. Okay, so it's in. Okay, it closes, and now I'm gonna seal this. Like, it's a manual pump. We bring this so that we can do this on our trip too. So keep pumping. Ta-da! Now see, it creates like the shape that you wanted. I have my other bag underneath. There we go. That's my backpack. Okay. This is heavy. Oh my god. This is like 40 pounds. Oh my god. There's no way I can carry this for like 10 minutes. Like the videos, write your suggestions or comments, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.